Pisces 2020 monthly horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Pisces horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 will be a sensitive month for the Pisceans. You need to get back your energy with proper relaxation and meditation. February 2020 is a month of changes and you should be prepared to face the inevitable. March 2020 will be a creative month when you will have a chance to work on your skills. April 2020 will be an emotional and delicate month for the Pisceans. Do not feel hurt by people's behavior. May 2020 will be a month of hard work and long hours. Do not look for shortcuts as they will not work out in the long run. June 2020 is when you will have to take it slow. Better to review the situation than fighting a lost battle. July 2020 will be a busy month for the Pisces zodiac sign. Finances too might be tight. August 2020 will still leave you with some doubts about everything happening around you. But you will overcome all challenges. September 2020 will come with its share of activities. Just do things that you think you can complete instead of leaving everything half done. October 2020 is a time when you need to think twice before taking any action. November 2020 is a positive month when you will be able to visualize what you want out of life. December 2020 brings with it a lot of unresolved questions which only you can answer.